Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a hierarchical multiple regression on this data set right here. So the first thing that I did was I went to analyze, and then I went to regression, and then linear. And I have a bunch of different things that I needed to put in. So in block one, I did gender and age of the child. And then for my dependent, I put the mom and dad squared items for all children. And then I kept the dependent the same for all of them. And in block two, I have mom's relationship positive and negative, and then the anger and the warmth for the child. And then in block three, I have in block three, I have chaos, the mom and dad combined report. And there were a few different things I clicked on after this. I made sure my method was on enter. You can see the different statistics that I made sure were going to be in the test in 2 standard deviations. On my plots, I have z-resid on y, z-pred on x, and I'm getting a histogram and normal probability plot, and I wanted to produce all partial plots. Then on save, I had more things that I had to make sure were included within my output. I did the different values and the d betas and d fits and standardized deleted, studentized deleted, and I went ahead and clicked OK on that. And then on my options, I left it the same style. I didn't do anything with it, and then I didn't bootstrap. So I clicked OK after that. And if you go to my results section, you can see what my output is. I have some descriptive statistics at the top. And I have a few questions that I need to answer. So how much variance did the final model account for? Well, to find this, I'm going to go to my model summary table, and you can see my R square right here for model 3 is 0.110. So it accounts for the final model accounts for 11% of the variance. So 11% of the variance is explained by the final model accounts for that. And then my second question is, which variables predict children's problem behavior? And I'm going to go to the coefficients table for that. And as you can see, the chaos is the one that predicts problem child behavior because of the significance level. And you can see the t value and my beta levels and all of that as well. And then I need to write out the regression equation for the final model. And you can't really see it, but I'll go ahead and state it. It's going to be y equals 1.237 plus 0.13 plus 0.05 times chaos. And that will be my regression equation for my final model. And then my fourth question is, are the residuals as you would expect for a good model? And I said that the residuals are not good because our standard residual goes above 3. And to explain that, you can go to the residual statistics table down here, and you can see that my standard residual level goes above 3 right here, and it needed to stay below. So, and then my fifth question is there evidence of normality of errors, homoscedasticity, and no multicollinearity? And for the first one, there is normality of error. And you can see that I believe that because the graph, you can see it goes straight up. And you can also see it right here. And then we do have homoscedasticity as well. And you can see that with the first scatter plot, everything's pretty much distributed equally. You have a few outliers and stuff, but we do have homoscedasticity. And then we do have multicollinearity because in the coefficients table, the VIF stats don't exceed a certain level, as you can see. And then finally, for my research question, I concluded that household chaos significantly predicted children's problem behavior over parenting. So that's how I would run this test, and I appreciate and interpret it, and I appreciate you guys for listening. Thank you.